Chapter 2 भालू ने खेली फुटबॉल. भालू ने खेली फुटबॉल. Bhalu is a bear. The bear played football. Let's find out how the match went. सर्दियों का मौसम था. सुबह का वक्त. सर्दी is winter. मौसम season. So it was winter season. सुबह का वक्त. Also it was morning. You know it will be very cold on a winter morning. चारों ओर कोहरा ही कोहरा. Kohra is fog. So if you go out and look around you on a winter morning, you can see fog. So that day was also covered in fog. There was fog all around. एक शेर का बच्चा सिमटकर गोल मठोल बना जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. शेर का बच्चा is a lion cub. What was the cub doing? जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. It was sleeping under the jamun tree. Jamun is plum. And how was it sleeping? Simatkar. Simatna means to curl up. So if you sleep on a cold morning, you will pull your legs towards your chest and you will sleep in a curled up, rounded position. Similarly, the cub was also sleeping all curled up, rounded. Gol mathol mean round. इधर भालू साहब सैर पर निकल तो आए थे लेकिन पछता रहे थे. So now comes the bear. It was out for a walk. Sairna means to walk around. But it was regretting his decision. Why? There is no fun in going for a walk on a cold morning. You cannot enjoy the walk. तभी उनकी नज़र जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे पड़ी. So the bear happened to look under the tree. What did it see? आंखें फैलाई, अकल दौड़ाई. Aha, football. So the bear saw something rounded under the tree. Its eyes widened. Failana means to widen. So when you see something interesting, your eyes will open up, it will widen. And the bear thought, Akil Daudai. Akil Daudana means to get the idea, to work your brain and get the idea that, aha, football. So the bear thought it was a football. सोचा, चलो इसे खेलकर कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए. And the bear thought, okay, I will play football. And that way I will get some warmth or heat. So when you exercise, your body will heat up. So the bear was hoping if it plays football, its body will also warm up and that way it can stay away from the cold. Aav dekha na tav. Aav dekha na tav meaning to act without thinking. So the bear saw something rounded under the tree and it straight away thought that it was a football. Now what did the bear do? भालू जी ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को. उछालना means to kick. So the bear kicked the cub. हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा दहाड़ा. So the cub was sleeping. It had no idea what was going on. So it was in a confusion when the bear kicked it. What did the cub do? Dahada. Dahadna means to roar. So the cub gave out a cry or it roared. और फिर पेड़ की एक डाल पकड़ ली. So now the cub is in the air and it grabbed onto a branch of a tree. डाल means branch. मगर डाल टूट गई. टूटना means to break off. So the branch broke. भालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गए. So hearing the cry and seeing the cub trying to hold on to the branch, the bear understood the situation. Mamla means matter. So the bear quickly understood that it was not a football, it was a cup. पछताए लेकिन अगले ही पल दौड़कर फुर्ती से दोनों हाथ बढ़ाए. So the bear regretted that it kicked the cup, but it did not waste any time thinking. अगले ही पल, the next moment itself, दौड़कर फुर्ती से, it ran very swiftly, ran quickly, and it stretched out its arms. For what? To catch the cub. So the cub was coming down and the bear caught it. Lapakna means to grab or to catch. अरे ये क्या? शेर का बच्चा फिर से उछालने के लिए कह रहा था. But now what happened? The cub wanted the bear to toss it again in the air. The cub thought it was some kind of a game and it wanted to play again. एक बार फिर भालू दादा ने उछाला. So once again the bear tossed the cub in the air. 2 बार 3 बार फिर बार बार यही होने लगा. But the cub did not want to stop. It was asking the bear to throw it again and again. It was enjoying the game. शेर के बच्चे को उछलने में मज़ा आ रहा था. So the cub was really having a good time. Maza means fun. It was having fun being tossed and caught by the bear. परंतु भालू धक्कर परेशान हो गया था. But the bear is tired. Dhakkar means tired. And it was also upset. Why? Because the bear wanted to make itself warm. It did not want to be out in the cold morning. Because of the cub, now it cannot even go home. Oh, किस आफत में आ फंसा. So the bear was thinking to itself, what trouble I have landed myself in. आफत meaning trouble. 12वीं बार उछालते ही भालू ने घर की ओर दौड़ लगाई और गायब हो गया. So the bear was very impatient now. It somehow wanted to get inside. So the 12th time, after the bear tossed the cub in the air, what did the bear do? Just ran away. It ran towards its house and disappeared. गायब होना means to disappear. अब की बार शेर का बच्चा धड़ाम से ज़मीन पर आ गया. So now there is no one there to catch the cub. So it fell onto the ground with a thud. धड़ाम से meaning with a thud, with a loud noise. डाल भी टूट गई. And also when it came down, it broke a branch too. तभी माली वहाँ आया और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा. So the cub was in a garden. Mali meaning gardener. So hearing this sound, the gardener came there. So a gardener will be responsible for looking after the garden. And he saw the branches being broken. And what did he do? He scolded the cub. Baras padna means to scold. Dal thod the pedki. Lao harjana. Now the gardener demands that he needs compensation, money. For what? Because the branch is broken. His garden is damaged. शेर के बच्चे ने कहा, ज़रा ठीक तो हो लूँ. Now the cub says, okay, wait, because it just fell down. Okay, just give me a moment. माली ने कहा, ठीक है, मैं अभी आता हूँ. And the gardener said, okay, take your time, I will come back. माली के वहाँ से जाते ही शेर का बच्चा भी 9-2-11 हो लिया. So as soon as the gardener went away, what did the cub do? It also ran away. 9-2-11 meaning, it's a usage meaning to run away. And he thought, उसने सोचा, जान बची तो लाखों पाई. So जान is life. So at least his life is saved. And it is like, to be safe and sound is like getting a lottery. It's like having so much riches for yourself.